Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Evelina Avernata with NIM V8125-106 and I will introduce our friends. We from group 4. The first.
My name Najma Ulumil Momtaz with name V8125040.
My name is Nabila Lutfiana with name V8125012.
My name Rafa Inaya Tesari Hafta Putra Dauna with name V81251115.
My name is Veno Dianto Nugraha with name V81251117.
AI tool that allows to upload our own learning materials such as document, PDF or videos and then interact with the AI to summarize, ask questions or even create study guides. Through this project, we learn how AI can make independent learning more engaging, efficient, and enjoyable.
Let's start with receptive skills, which include listening and reading. For reading, we upload our class notes and some articles related to English learning into Notebook LM. Then, we ask the AI to summarize the content and generate questions to our test understanding. We also use it to create a simple study guide including quizzes and key vocabulary. This helps us focus on the main idea and improve our comprehension.
For listening, we tried uploading transcript, YouTube video, or podcast into Notebook LM. The AI help us identify the key points and vocabulary used in the conversation. After that, we discuss the content by asking follow-up question to the AI, just like interacting with a virtual tutor. This method was really helpful of improving both our listening, comprehension, and critical thinking skill.
Next, for productive skills such as speaking and writing, we use Notebook LM as a supportive tool to generate ideas and feedback. For speaking, we use the AI to create role-play scenarios and conversation prompts. For example, we ask it to simulate a discussion between students about studying abroad. This activity allowed us to practice fluency and pronunciation in a comfortable, non-judgmental environment.
For writing, we asked Notebook LM to help us outline and organize our essay. We've uploaded our draft and request the AI to give feedback on grammar, vocabulary, and structure. The instant and tailored feedback really help us identify our mistake quickly and improve our writing accuracy. It felt like having a personal tutor that's available anytime we need guidance.
From this exploration, we discovered many benefits of using Notebook LM for self-directed English learning. First, it provides instant and personalized feedback that help us learn from our mistakes quickly. Second, it offers a safe and supportive learning environment we can practice without fear of being judged or embarrassed. Third, it's highly flexible. We can study anytime and anywhere, depending on our schedule.
Using Notebook LM also increased our motivation and confidence. It made English learning feel more enjoyable and less stressful. The AI system helped us strengthen our ideal L2 self, our vision of becoming confident English speaker in the future.
Of course, we also face several challenges. Sometimes the AI gave incomplete or unclear answers, so we had to double-check the information from other sources. Internet connection and device compatibility also affected our group collaboration at times.
Another challenge was time management. Since everyone works independently, we need to coordinate effectively to compile our results. But this challenge taught us valuable lessons in teamwork, critical thinking, and digital literacy.
Most AI tools give you answers. This one gives you understanding. Notebook LM doesn't just summarize stuff. It turns your documents into study guides, timelines, and even podcasts. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google's Notebook LM like a productivity pro. Not just what it is, but more importantly, what you can do with it. First, what is Notebook LM? Notebook LM is Google's free AI system to help you work with your documents. You can upload PDFs, Google Docs, even YouTube videos. Basically, it is really good at extracting information from a specific source, and it does it while citing your sources, so you know exactly where it came from. Overall, it's a great way to digest content or learn something new. So now, let's go into 6 powerful ways that you can use Notebook LM. And the first one is turning your docs into podcasts. In this example, I've just taken the State of AI 2025 report. I've shared the link to the PDFs, and I've asked Notebook LM to create an audio overview based on this document. So let's see how it sounds.
How organizations are actually using and adapting to generative AI.
All sorts of regions, industries, company sizes.
And I could just listen to it on my walk now. I don't need to read the whole document. So this is a really helpful tool if you prefer digesting content via audio rather than reading. Second bit is build instant study guides. If you're a student, you can upload PDFs, lecture notes, and even textbook chapters. Then in Notebook LM, you can ask for key takeaways, practice questions, and even notes. Notebook LM builds a clear, concise study guide in seconds. This is perfect for talks or getting ready for an examination. So number 3 is summarize YouTube videos. You just find a YouTube video and you can paste it in and ask good questions. For example, what are the main ideas from this TED Talk? Notebook LM pulls the key ideas so you don't have to watch the full video if you don't have time. This is great for dense interviews, long academic talks, or even tutorials. So number 4 is summarizing huge documents without losing the thread. Notebook LM can handle massive context, millions of words across dozens of files. It allows you to ask more broad questions. For example, what are the biggest risks mentioned across these 3 reports? It connects the dots, contrasts viewpoints, and gives you a big picture view, all grounded in your sources. So the 5th one is creating briefing docs and content drafts. Have meeting notes, emails, product specs. You can ask Notebook LM to turn it into a proposal, a sales pitch, or a client FAQ, whatever you want. This is similar to other models. However, you can take in a lot more context with Notebook LM. It repurposes your raw content into specific formats, saving you hours. So number 6, make timelines from messy information. Need to visualize a project rollout or a content plan? We can use Notebook LM for that. Create a timeline based on this document. It instantly organizes your information chronologically. No spreadsheets required. So one quick heads up, Notebook LM is still very much experimental. This means features may change and the tool will evolve fast. So while it's incredibly powerful, don't forget to export anything that you produced in case it changes. Treat it like your smartest intern. Useful and fast, but not your only source of truth. I found Notebook LM really useful to help me as a learning partner. And this is only becoming more and more important as things evolve even more quickly. If you're ready to learn faster, I highly recommend trying out Notebook LM. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit that like button. And for regular AI tips and tricks, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me to grow and continue making this kind of content for my audience. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
In conclusion, exploring Notebook LM has been a meaningful experience. It helped us improve all our English skills, become more independent learners, and realize that AI can truly support language learning in creative and effective ways. We hope this video can inspire others to explore AI tools from their own English learning journey. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.